Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Guys, in this video, we will be learning about what are Python operators. Python operators in general are used to perform operations on value and variables. These are standard symbols used for purpose of logical and arithmetic operations. Let's see what types of Python operators are there. I am taking variable a equals to 30, b equals to 20. Then I want to print sum is, let's see, a plus b. Let's run this program. You see, sum is 50. So this is called addition operator. Another is subtraction. Let me print subtraction. A minus b you see output is 10. This is addition. Okay. Third one is multiplication. Let's see multiplication. A multiply b. We can say a multiply b. Let's run the code. You see, output is 6. Let's move to another example, another operator, that is division. A divide by, let's say, b. We can say a divide by b. Right. Let's run the code. You see, division of a and b is 1.5. Now move to our next operator, that is modulus. Print modulus, it is called MUDU. Modulus, which is says a percentile a modulus b, and we can say a modulus b. Let's run the code. You see, then is printed. Let's see next operator, that is exponent. Print exponent a, exponent b. Let's run the code. You see, the value of exponent for a and b. Let's see our next operator, that is floor division. For floor division, we can say that is the operator for floor division, and we say here A, B. Let's run the code. You see, it is 1. Alright. Let's move to our next type of operator, that is comparison operators. Python comparison of relational operators compares the value, it either returns true or false. Let's see them with example. If we take one variable like a1 equals to 30, and then we can take b2 equals to 40. If we want to apply this comparison operator, so we can do that way, like print a1 greater than equals to b2. Let's run the code. It will say false. So this operator is called a greater than operator. Okay. Next operator we have less than. This was our greater than. The operator was this symbol, right? So let's see what is less than operator. We can print a1 less than equals to b. Is a1 less than b1? You can see, yes, a1 is less than b1. That is true. So you can see next operator is equal operator. The symbol is double equal and the operator name is equal to. It is true if both operands are equal. Let's see. Print a1 double equals to b2. It will always return false because a1 and b1 are not equal. So it will return false. Next operator is not equal to. The symbol is not symbol and equal. Its name is not equal to. It is true if operands are not equal. For example, print a1 is not equals to b1, b2. Let's run the code. Yes, the value is true, condition is true because a1 and b1 are not equal. You see? Let's move to our next operator, that is greater than equal to. Symbol is greater than sign and equal. name is greater than equal to. This is true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right. It is greater than or equal to. Okay. Let's see with an example. Print A1 greater than equals to B2. Is A1 greater than equals to B2? Let's run the code. It is false. A1 is not greater than or equal to B2. So condition is false. Next operator is less than or equal to. Symbol is less than and equal. Name is less than or equal to. It is true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right. Same way, A1 less than equals to B2. Is A1 less than equals to B2? So yes, condition will be true. It should return true. You see, it returned true. So this is our comparison operator. Let's write logical operator. What is that? Python logical operators perform logical and logical or and logical not operations. It is used to combine conditional statements. Let's see them with example. First is AND operator. This is AND. It is called logical AND. It is true if both the operands are true. Right? Let's see. This time let me take x equals to true, y equals to false. Let's print x and b. Let's run the code. You see, it is 20. Let's print x and y. You see, value is false. Means x and y, these are false. Let's see next operator, that is OR. This is logical OR operator. It's true if either of the operands is true. Let's see with an example. Print x or y. It will print true because x is true. It is saying either x or y is true, then return. So true is displayed. Next operator is NOT. This is called logical NOT. It is true if the operand is false. Example, print not X. Let's run the code. You see, it is false. X is true. It is saying it is not false. Then it returns false.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.